Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Dyalla here, and today we are unboxing some pieces from small business Nostalgic Threadz. So they curate a whole bunch of 90s pieces, and so on their Depop you're gonna find graphics, oversized fits, and a lot of gender fluid items. So I absolutely love that. But what I love the most about them is their branding. On Instagram, oof, their visuals are everything. And not only that, they have Esme and Faith from Neva featured on there. So I was like, oh my gosh, I'm a hardcore Neva fan from episode 1 up until when, you know, crap went down during the pandemic and all the cheeseman that was happening with Kyra. But back to Nostalgic Threadz, I want to take you through their Instagram specifically just so that you can see their images. I'm going to put them posted right over here. They are nostalgic.threadz with a Z. And right off the bat, you guys, they have like a really grungy 90s feel to them. So automatically I see Faith here in this like NASCAR tee, which is super cool. A lot of the images are really effortless, making it a bit more genuine. I love this fit here with the graphic tee that's oversized with a pleated skirt and some high boots. I've been looking for some on Depop for the longest time, but they're just so freaking expensive. Let's see. What else? A lot of Winnie the Pooh 90s characters. Again, we're dealing with that oversized fit. And then for those of you guys who are interested in accessories, what I see here, a lot of chunky shoes, which, anything with a platform, anything that gives you height, absolutely love it. And we do have a few bags here with obviously color and print, so that's really cool. But overall, really love the vibe of their Instagram. So let's hop over to their Depop now. And let's see, I'm seeing plaid, we are seeing camo. So far, prices look okay. I'm looking at this camo top for like $11, not too bad. Tweedy for around 30. So, you know, your classic Depop prices, which isn't too bad. So as we're scrolling down here, I'm seeing a lot of oversized t-shirts. We are playing with prints. Oof, and looks like we probably just got to a whole bunch of NASCAR pieces. So I'll click into a few. We just come across so many graphics. Ooh, I love this leather piece. Oh yeah, with the chain detailing. Okay, we just finally got to all these Mickey pieces. I love this one here with the contrast sleeves. Oh, I think that is super cute. So we pretty much see the same theme. A lot of 90s pieces, very curated Depop. And so I imagine like a lot of these pieces being sold at like flea markets or like the Melrose Trading Post here in LA. So if you're not in the local area, this Depop is for you, so check them out. So let's get to opening up this bundle. Victoria from Nostalgic Threadz was kind enough to send me a few items that best reflect her style and her Depop and the overall theme of her business. And so what I'm assuming is obviously 90 pieces, maybe some color, maybe some graphics. What's really cool about this though, here, let me cover this dress, is their stickers. Absolutely love that. It just says Nostalgic AF with like a neon green zebra print. So super cool. And you guys, heads up, I actually have stickers for my Depop coming real soon. And let's see. You guys get the first peek here. Off the bat, I'm seeing red, and it feels a little textured. We see some pink, absolutely love that. Ooh, okay, let's open this up. Yeah. Oh, she actually fit quite a bit in here. There's more, what the heck? Okay, that does it for the back here. I have everything here. She has a little cute note enclosed. It says, feeling beachy. That's so cute. So let's open this up. Ooh, such a pretty little envelope here. Ooh. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have more stickers. Look at this. Ooh. Oh my gosh. One of the few things that fell out were these barrettes here with colorful butterflies. Super cute. I've got a collection of barrettes going now. It's absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at all these stickers. And then I love this one, which is her brand sticker. Nostalgic AF. Super cute. I'll show you guys close-ups of these later. But we've got a little note here, so let me just take a little peek, see if I should read this out loud. I'm gonna go ahead and read this part, but she pretty much says, Nostalgic Threadz is inspired by my love for 90s style and sourcing vintage clothing. I've built my brand on sustainability and the hope to make a positive impact on the fashion industry. I hope you enjoy and love these pieces. Victoria, thank you so much. Let's just start off with the first item here. I kind of have everything tossed onto the floor, but the first item is this cute little sweater. Is it cropped? Oh no, I think it fits nicely. Oh, is this like a vintage Lacoste? Ooh, it is. How cute is that? And it does have a little bit of texture to it. Ooh, I think this is gonna fit a little bit more fitted. This would be so cute with like a skirt underneath. And it's a bold red color, so we are making a statement. And it's just knit construction too. And winter or fall should be somewhere around the corner, so I could be wearing this pretty soon. Love that. Up next, I see a yellow one with, what is this, soccer balls? Ooh, look at this one. So we have a polo here and it does have like a super distressed raw hem, which I kind of love that, with some black jeans and some boots. Heck yeah, but look at this color, you guys. It is woven construction, so there isn't too much stretch to it, but it looks like maybe this could have been a men's, and so with it cropped, it is a bit oversized. Okay, this one here, we have a graphic tee, and I see some Disney characters. This is super cute. I love this. It says friends. You guys, look at this graphic. We've got Minnie, we've got Mickey, Donald, and Goofy. It does have a little bit of distressing to it, which, you know, I don't mind. I love that. And I love graphic tees like this because I'm starting to experiment more. I know in the past I've said that graphic tees are like a little boring, but mainly it was because I never really put in the effort to style it, but I am a fan of graphic tees now, especially since I'm working from home. Such an easy piece just to throw on and get to work. Next piece here is a green, I don't even know what brand this is, 40s, I think? But it's just a floral print here with this awesome green color. This would make a really good layering piece. It is a bit more feminine too with the print. I wouldn't know how to style this quite yet, but I think once I play around, I might come up with something cute. I'm looking at the last top here, and it is a guest piece. This one is super cute, kind of gives me like retro, but like Western type vibes. And I think it's like the spread collar, and these buttons kind of have like a pearly look to them. But you guys, look at this print. This is so fun and so cool. I love that. And this is a size extra large, so it is a bit more oversized. So I don't know how I'm gonna style this, but that's gonna be a challenge. That pretty much does it for all the pieces. While I'm looking at them here, I feel like it's a good reflection of Nostalgic Threadz. It's colorful, it's bold, it's printed, but it's also oversized. She also pays attention to a lot of the brands. So we have these like Mickey Mouse brand, we have the Guess, the Lacoste, so it's really trendy, very like eye-catching that people are wanting, it's in demand. So let's get to my favorite part and let's get styling. So here we have the first fit, and we were playing with that cute little t-shirt. So I had to bring over the zebra, the mesh, just because I feel like it needed a bit more, just so that it's not too boring with the pants. But since we've got zebra on the top, we need some zebra on the bottom, and we are playing with these funky boots. You guys, I'm bringing all the hype today. So really like this, and then I decided just to pair it with a classic trouser. And these have more of a flare leg, so it gives it a little bit more character, a little bit more style. And as far as the t-shirt, I didn't want to just like tuck it in, but even just out like this, I think is super cute. Or just even in a little knot too, that would be super adorable. Yeah, I like that too. But let me bring you guys a little closer so we can check out this cute little graphic tee. It says friends in all these cute little pastel colors, and it has a whole bunch of Disney characters on the front. This one is knit construction, so it does have a little bit of stretch to it. This tee definitely has more of a relaxed fit. It does have elbow length sleeves, and then lengthwise from shoulder to hem. It isn't too long, it isn't too cropped, it hits just right at the waist, which makes it super easy and versatile to style. Here we have that Guess top. Let me tell you, I'm definitely being challenged with all these oversized fits, but challenge accepted because I decided to just tie up this oversized little sleeveless top into a bow here. So we're making it a cute little crop top. It does have a little bit of orange, some green, and denim. And I haven't showed you guys these pants yet, but I recently thrifted them and they fit like a freaking glove. So again, we do have another woven constructed piece, so no stretch. It does have the denim contrast. You guys, this print is adorable. And then even though it's a lot of fabric, fortunately the tie or the knot here isn't too bulky and chunky, so it's just the right size. But I don't feel like I've ever dressed like this before, but I'm loving it. I feel super cute. Here we have that yellow top, and surprisingly, I really like this one. I think this one is my favorite. It is woven construction, so there isn't any stretch to it, surprisingly. This is the one that had that like super cool sucker print to it. Very bold, has a contrast spread collar, and these like oversized sleeves. So for me, they're elbow sleeves, but I think it might be like a men's shirt. But yes, love this. Decided to pair them with my favorite Tommy Hilfiger distressed jeans. You guys, I have to show you this. They are getting worse. I have, oh no, that looks horrible. I now have this tear in my butt that just continuously gets bigger and bigger as I wear them. But if it gets any worse, I'm gonna see if I can salvage them and make them into shorts. The shoes I decided to pair it with are just some classic tennis shoes. But overall, you guys, we got casual, we got comfy, and we got bold and bright. love this fit. Here is that floral green top. I think it's super cute. So my main goal with styling this was, let's get away from middle-aged woman fashion to youthful, fun, and funky. So I decided to pair it with this denim little top. We've got some bold green pants to pull out the green from the top. And then my favorite part are the denim boots to match the top. Bringing you in a bit closer to check out this green top. I already showed you the crazy cool floral print, but let's talk about this fit because again, it is a little bit more oversized. It does have just a classic spread collar, long sleeves with button cuff, and then this is woven construction, so there isn't very much stretch to it. You're working with what you got. Here is the last fit, and we are playing with that Lacoste sweater. So this one I thought was gonna fit a bit more oversized, but it's definitely a little more fitted, so I didn't wanna add any more layers because I am sweating right now, just changing in and out of outfits. So decided to keep it simple and plain, and these are some recent Lucky brand jeans that I thrifted for only $7. And then we are bringing out all the boots. So I recently showed off these boots in a video and I thought they were super fun, and it pulls the black out of the jeans, the red out of the sweater. So it works hand in hand, and y'all know I've been a sucker for red and black. So I really like it. It's comfy, it's casual, but it still has like a little bit of spice, a little bit of boldness. Let me bring you in a little closer. We have a classic crew neck. We have the diamond texture imprint all throughout. The cute little alligator or crocodile. Actually, what is Lacoste? Is it a crocodile or alligator? And then we do have just a ribbed hem, the cuffs, and the neck as well. So a really essential classic piece. Okay, you guys, that pretty much does it for showing you all the pieces from Nostalgic Threadz. If you liked any of them, give this video a big thumbs up. Honestly, these pieces were a lot of fun. I love the prints. I love how colorful they are. They definitely got me out of my comfort zone as far as styling them, but I always love a challenge. If you want to catch them on Instagram, they are nostalgic.threadz, or on Depop to get yourself a few pieces, they're nostalgic_threadz. If you guys are really into 90s grungy pieces, this is the store for you guys. Huge shout out to Victoria. Thank you so much for sending over all these pieces and making this such a fun experience. You guys, as always, I post videos twice a week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!